What's going on YouTube? It's your girl Lala, and today I want to be discussing a very important topic, and I really want y'all to hear me out on this, okay? So don't click off the video. Watch the full thing. This video is about things that all 16-year-olds should be doing 2020, like right now. If you're 16 years old, you should be doing these things. If you're a teenager in general, this applies to you. If you're 15, you could still be doing these things if you are if you develop like that. If you built like that, then you should be doing these things as well. If you got a strong enough mindset for it. First things first, getting some money. Getting some type of money, having some type of job, some type of income. It don't have to be a lot of money. It could be $200 every other week. $200 a week, it gotta be something, because now you're a teenager, you wanna go out, you get a little bit more freedom to be out with your friends and stuff. I know it's not the situation right now as we're in quarantine. It's a little bit different, but still, you still want to have some type of money. You don't want to be asking your parents for everything all the time, because in about 3 years, you're gonna be considered an adult. They're getting tired of taking care of you, bro. They're tired of taking care of you. Right now, I currently try not to ask my mom for nothing unless it's a necessity. Necessity is stuff like deodorant, body wash, stuff like that. Stuff that parents kind of should be providing, you know what I mean? But if it's stuff like new sneakers, a new video game, hanging out with your friends, you don't need to be asking your parents for nothing. You need to be getting on your grind and getting some type of money. Alright, the second thing you should be doing is learning how to drive or earning your permit. Alright, when you're 16, I think actually when you're 15, now when you're 16, you can get your license. I know they changed the rules that you got to be 18, this and the third, but if you're 16 right now, I know the DMVs is closed, but if you're 16 right now and you can get into the DMV and take your permit test, take it, because in 6 months you're going to be able to qualify to get your license. Yeah, so that means nobody can take you off the road. Yeah, and with that job, like I said, you should be trying to save up a couple $100 here and there and putting some money together for you to get your own whip. Who wouldn't want to be 16 driving around looking cool, you know, your friends and stuff. Not even only that, but you get to do what you want, especially if you pay for your own car. Your parents, you know, let them know that you're leaving, but your parents can't necessarily say, oh, I'm taking the car from you, give me your keys. You can't do none of that. It's called freedom. But with freedom comes a lot of responsibility, so you gotta make sure that you own your stuff. Yeah, that's that. I can't believe that whole clip didn't record. Man, is it on right now? Shoot, I had to check. I said number 3. Number 3 is to take school seriously. Please, I advise you to take school seriously. I can't hold you. I wouldn't lie to y'all. I can't lie to y'all. I did terrible in school. Once I got to middle school, that's when my grades kind of started to go down. I tried to come back at 8th grade. I tried to do a little something in 9th grade, but it just didn't work. I did halfway decent this year. Me being 100% honest with y'all. Now, I'm very smart. I'm just lazy. I could have easily got all 95s this year, but I'm very lazy. So next year, for my junior year, especially my junior year, because it's gonna be the toughest year for me. That's what I hear, that the junior year is the toughest year. Just like how the third marking period, the toughest marking period of the year, whatever. I want to be ready for that. So over the summer, I try to keep up with my skills and stuff. You know how when you go back to school and you don't know how to write no more? Yeah, I don't want to be that person. I want to do good for my last 2 years of high school, make it count, you know, earn my diploma. I want to earn my diploma. So for the class of 22, and for yourself, man, and for yourself, please get that diploma. Please get that diploma. Please get that diploma, man, because you never know when things could go left. You know, 2020 was a great indicator of you never know what can happen. Nobody expected this year to be this crazy. Everybody thought it was going to be the best year of their life. Look how it turned out. Now for me, 2020 been alright. That's off the topic. You know what I mean? And for me, I want to be an entrepreneur. You know, I want to run multiple businesses and all that, but who's to say those businesses won't flop and all that stuff, and I might have to get a regular job. It's very hard. It is hard to get a job without a high school diploma. So please, if that's the last thing that you do, walk that stage. I mean, I know they didn't get to walk the stage this year. Any Any 2020 graduate that I seen this year, I yell at the top of my lungs, congratulations, because it's tough not being able to go to prom, not being able to walk the stage, and that's such a tradition. That's something that everybody looks forward to if you worked hard and put in the work. When you graduate in high school, that's something that everybody wants. That's something that everybody wants, is to walk that stage, see everybody proud, get that piece of paper, and say you did it. You know what I mean? High school is tough. It is tough. Oh shoot! Yo, this bug is blowing me, man. But yeah, high school is tough. So, you know, walking that stage is important. It's very important, you know. Who's to say after this year, you know, I hope there is a stage to walk. I don't know what's gonna happen after this year. Right now, I feel like we're in the eye of the storm of 2020. For some reason, I got this feeling that it's gonna be something else. And no, after the eye of the storm, it get worse. I'm praying that it don't. I'm hoping that we recover. And by 2021, stuff not gonna be normal, but it's, you know, hopefully it'll be better. I don't know. Number 4, you should be acquiring some type of skill or learning some type of non-school based material. I'm gonna save this for another video, but college is not for everybody. College is not for everybody. So I'm saying right now, 2 years before you even have to think about what you want to do in college, acquiring a skill right now or learning non-school based material can possibly help you figure out what you want to do after high school or picking out your major for college. But honestly, to me, if you're not going to school, to college, to be a lawyer, a doctor, or whatever, like an astrologist, some like the scientific, political type of things, it's kind of not a reason to go to college. There's some things like cosmetology and stuff like that, but for the most part, college is a scam. That's for another video. Alright, number 5. Number 5 is connecting with your people. Connecting with people. Oh, little old motorcycle, boy, get on. Alright, but anyways, connecting with people. It's important to connect with people. When I'm telling y'all, the other day I went down to the park at 8:30 in the morning. There was this lady around there picking up trash. I said good morning, you know what I'm saying? Come to find out, the lady lived right up the hill from me. She lived right up the street from me, man. And me and her became real cool. She let me know that on Saturday, we got an event going on in the neighborhood. I wouldn't have even known that. You know what I'm saying? With connecting with people, you'll get more opportunity. Connections, communication, there's another C. And consistency. Listen to these 3 C's. Connections, communicating, and consistency. Those are 3 things. Those are vital in life. Connecting with people. And also, you need to learn how to open your mouth, you know what I'm saying? If you want something, let that be known. And also, just connecting with people just because, you know, you're 16, this is the time when you get a little bit more freedom. You probably get to go out a little bit more, meet new people. And not only meet new people, but not connected with new people only. Connect with old people. Connect with your family. Family is very important, especially in times like this. Please connect with your people. Connect with your people. You grow more. You grow faster when you allow people into your life. So I know a lot of people are asocial. Asocial is the correct term. It's not antisocial. I know a lot of people are asocial, but fine, you know, I'm not saying push it out there, you know, if it happened naturally, I'll say more let it naturally happen. But if you know you're a closed up person, but you kind of do want to make friends, get a little bit outside your comfort zone. That's the only thing I can say. Try it. The worst that can happen is that you get the result. I mean, I don't know. You know, if y'all know what I mean, y'all know what I mean. Alright, number 6. Number 6 is taking time to yourself. Spending time with yourself and taking care of yourself. 16 is a very tender age, and I can say that even for myself. A couple weeks ago is my half birthday, you know what I'm saying? 6 months, well, more like 5 now, I'm gonna be 17. 16, it definitely is a difference from any other age. 16 is when your mind starts to more or less work for itself, and you start figuring out who you are. I don't think you really figure out who you are until you're around 20, unless you got that, like that mindset. Like, I know who I am being 16, but a lot of us don't. A lot of us are very naive and green to the things that are going on in the world, and you know, just that's why it's important to spend time with yourself, so that you can figure out who you are, what your rules, what your morals, and what your principles are, so that when you go out there, because you're 16 now, you're gonna be out into the world a little bit more, so that way you are aware, if that makes sense. Like, you're aware of your presence, you're aware of yourself, and then you worry about what everybody else is doing. It's a big problem with our generation right now, is to be too focused on what everybody else is doing. But I could tell you right now, I only focus on myself, and I'm doing great. I never got into no drama. I never even been in a fight before. So, and that's just all for me, take care of myself, and I always spend time with myself. I'm a popular loner, you know what I mean? Everybody know me, I know a lot of people, but to be honest, I don't go nowhere. The first time I went to a waterfall was like 2 days ago. That's bad, so I want to start getting out more. That's why I'm working on getting my permit and my own money, so I can do what I want to do. It's not about rebelling and being against my parents or nothing like that. It's just about me knowing what I want and just going to get it and getting it responsibly. You know, being responsible and knowing who I am and what I deserve, and just making it happen. And, you know, I watch a lot of videos on self-improvement. I read a lot, and if you're doing that, if you're watching this video right now, right? If you're watching this video right now and you watch those other videos too, and you're not applying none of that knowledge that you are getting into your life, what are you even doing? What are you even doing? What's the point of sitting there watching these videos? So you can waste more time. Now, I ain't even gonna hold you. I wasted a lot of time. I feel like, me being 16, I know I'm very young, but for some reason I have this feeling inside my heart that I wasted a lot of time. I feel like I wasted years of my life. Kinda did, but I could forgive myself for that because I didn't know any better. Forgive yourself for when you didn't know any better, when you do know better, you know? So, I didn't know any better back then about a lot of the stuff that I was doing, and I forgive myself for that now. 16, on to the next. Only way I'm trying to go now is up. It's just improving myself day by day, going, getting an extra 1% every day. You know what I'm saying? Making myself better every day, and I do that by spending time with myself, not with other people. It's not that you can't improve with other people around you, but you have to take time to yourself, and you have to take care of yourself, your hygiene, your mental health. Take mental health days. It's summertime. Go outside in the morning. Just embrace the nature. I love meditating. I love who I am. I'm 16 and I feel like I'm already up there. Not just say I'm above anybody else, but I know I worked hard within myself to put to raise my vibrations. That's all I gotta say about that. Alright, y'all. The last thing I want to be discussing with y'all is exercise. Exercise. You're 16, our bones are still young, you know, we got a lot more energy than, you know, those ahead of us, so use that to your advantage. You don't want to be thinking you 16, oh, I got time, and when I get older I'll start hitting the gym. Well, you can start that right now, girl. You can start that right now. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead. Run around the block a couple times. Run through your yard a couple times. Jog in place, even if you don't leave the house. You know, do some push-ups, do some jumping jacks, sit-ups, squats. If you can get on your door without it breaking, do some pull-ups. I be testing that jump. My jump be creaking a little bit. I'll still be up there trying to hit them jumps, cause I gotta drive for it. I just really know that. Well, I'm an athlete, at least. You don't have to be an athlete to participate in sports or just exercise alone. It's just called being fit. Alright? It's just called being fit. And I promise you, if you are out of shape right now, as a teenager, get yourself together. Okay? You're too young. Uncover your young body. See it. Reach your peak. You know? Hit your prime. You don't really hit your prime until you like 21 to like 27-ish. That's like your prime. But before that, you got your little, like your adolescence. I know what I want to look like. I'm working for my 6-pack abs right now. I'm working on calisthenics right now. I want to be able to do the human flag, so y'all gotta be tuned for that video. But yeah, it's just exercising, just 30 minutes of exercise a day, jogging in place, going out, even just going outside for a walk with your friends, whatever you want to do, going outside with your younger siblings, stuff like that where you can run around and get your heart rate up a little bit, break a little sweat. Alright, girls, I know y'all, we don't really care too much for the sweat. We don't really care for this too much for sweat, but I like when I sweat because that just showed me that I worked hard, but at the same time, I don't really. Drink your water too. Now see, health is the real wealth. I got more videos about self-improvement coming to y'all soon. Real soon. You can start at any age, even if y'all aren't a teenager anymore, you still want to self-improve. It's never too late. You could be 80 years old. Every single day that the higher power gives you a day, that you are blessed with another day. Use it. Not all days, have to be work, but you can improve every day. Even on vacation, you can improve. Take a book with you, read it on the plane. Every single day you can improve. And imagine you improving every single day, working out every single day, eating right every single day, taking care of yourself every single day. Do that for 6 months. New Year's, hit me. I want to see results. I want to see who's gonna do this with me. I'm taking every day until the end of the year. Well, past the end of the year, but I just want to strive for the end of the year. Excuse me. Till I just want to strive to the end of the year to see how good I can really get. Cause my birthday is 5 days after New Year's, or January 5th. My birthday, January 5th. I want to see how good I can really freaking get. How far I can really push myself before I turn 17. And each year, I just want to go harder. Each year. You know what I mean? So if y'all want me to keep y'all updated with my journey and my exercise and stuff, let me know. Anything that y'all want to see down in the comments below, because I got y'all. I'll be posting 2 to 3 times a day, so let me know. Alright y'all, that's gonna be it for the video today. If y'all want any more tips and pointers on what you should be doing as a teenager, as a 16-year-old, let me know. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell, and I'll be back to y'all with some more videos.